chosen on this team, it is a huge honor. It's an honor to be able to help build your community. You have no idea the community support that is behind you. Maybe today you have you're starting to get an idea with the City of Mascot, the members of our advisory council. They are all invested in you and they believe in you just like we do. And with that being said, the members of our advisory council have donated tools to give you a tool belt. This is yours to keep. These tool belts take care of your tools. Don't lose them. So when I call your name, you'll come up and Mr. Fullerton will give you a tool belt. And then we have some advisory members from Humanity Construction who donated the hammers. They're going to give you a hammer. Hopefully you can tuck it in and then come and stand behind the shovel and get ready for groundbreaking.